Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Chrome right now. Make sure it's updated so settings behave predictably. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. You want to land in Appearance first. Enable the Home button so you can set a homepage URL. This first step gives you a persistent place to set Google as your homepage. Enable the option and prepare to enter the address in the next step. Now you'll enter the actual address. In Appearance, enable Show Home button and click the link to enter a custom web address. Type https://www.google.com and save. Once done, switch to On Startup and choose Open a specific page or set of pages. Click Add a new page and again enter https://www.google.com. This ensures clicking Home or launching Chrome opens Google directly. Make sure you press Save or Add so Chrome records both the Home button and Startup page settings. Finish by closing Chrome and reopening it to confirm Google loads as your startup page, and click the Home button to verify it goes to Google.com. You can right-click Chrome on the taskbar and choose Pin for one-click access to your new home page. If the page doesn't load as expected, make sure the URL is exactly https://www.google.com. Clear the browser cache and update Chrome.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.